In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions to a video on CapCut on PC. So first, what you're going to do is open up CapCut and import your video. So click here and then import your video. I'll just import a tutorial video that I've recorded previously. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drag this video on, and let's say that we want to add captions to this video. So how would we do it? So first you need to head over to the text icon. So click on text, and then you can go ahead and add text. Now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and add auto caption text. So go to auto captions, then you can choose your language, and we can then click on generate. That's going to then generate automatic captions for your video. So here you can see my video now should have captions. And if we just zoom in on the right here, you can see the captions and where there's a space and I'm not talking. So let's just go ahead and see if the captions are correct. I'm going to play this at specific times. Maybe it's just better for you to have it saved as a document instead of keep going to Google Calendar. To do that, go to settings in the top right hand corner, then click on print. Now, if your captions aren't showing, then what I recommend you do is if you click on one of them, you can go ahead and change either the template or the color. So mine's white on white, so it's a bit hard to see. So I'm going to change the color here to black. And as you can see now, we've got the captions changed. And once you change one, it will change all of them as well. So here you can see we've got the captions. You can double click on any of these captions and manually edit it if it is wrong. But that's pretty much all you would need to do to add captions to your video. They're very good, clean captions, but you can customize anything you want to here in the top right once you're on text. But yeah, that's all you have to do. You can then export this video with captions.